See what happens.
See what happens. Okay, ready. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and down the back roads you travel, telling tales from long, long ago. Are you ready, buddy?
Are you ready, Stan?
Buckle up, giddy up, let's go. Okay.
Yeah.
That's
So
quite a
there you
story.
go. So one,
Uh-huh.
it creates electricity
Okay.
that we use in everyday lives. I mean, all that electricity is going into these power lines.
Spreading out as little tendrils and fingers throughout the country.
Yes, and I mean it's everywhere. I cannot look somewhere and not see electricity.
You know, that's
being used
you're
somewhere.
you're right about that. Now that you say that, I'm thinking about it, and yeah. Agree.
Two,
Uh-huh.
you know, the future part of it.
Right. It shows us that we're in the future. Future, check,
It's here.
is here. Check.
Three, a little bit more controversial.
Oh, okay. There's another one.
Well, I said there was threefold.
Oh, okay, very good.
I think you said triforce, trifecta.
Trifecta, yeah.
So, the other thing
Yes. Yeah.
that these were invented. Now, this was unseen in the 80s.
Oh, okay.
There's only so much you can predict. They
Oh.
say that realistically, man can only predict a good 10 years into the future.
Oh, okay. Very good.
Beyond that, it's just hogwash.
Darkness.
It's darkness. You can't see past that.
Okay.
10 years is about the maximum that you can predict the future.
Okay. Well, that makes sense.
Yeah. Well, what they found is we think of them as the wind blows it and they spin, which is accurate.
Okay.
That's
the wind
true.
blows the wind farm. The blades on the
Yes.
turbine, and it spins. Okay.
And as it spins, because of Newton's laws of physics,
Oh, I've heard of those.
an object in motion tends to stay in motion.
Yeah.
Like my car right now is in motion and it will just stay in motion. Okay?
Obviously.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Right.
That's a practical example for sure.
Exactly. Well, as the wind blows them, they spin.
Yes.
And they actually go a little faster than the wind's being blown.
Oh.
So
okay.
let's say, hypothetically,
Okay.
you have a wind, a constant wind speed of 32 miles an hour.
Very good. Okay. 32 miles an hour.
The wind coming off is always 10% higher.
Really?
We actually get a gain of wind from the wind farms of 10%. So,
really?
A 30 mile per hour wind
It gets
going into it, the wind coming off is what?
10% higher.
Yeah, 33%.
33%.
Or 33 miles per hour,
Right.
I should say.
Yeah,
Coming
33 miles
off the
per hour.
front of the wind turbine.
Very
which
good.
they didn't, and honestly, they know it has something to do with physics. But they also think that the guy who actually invented the wind turbines maybe knew this. They don't know. He maybe put a little extra science in there.
He added some science to the wind farm
Yes.
to make the wind speed coming off of the turbine higher than what it was when it went in.
Yes, and we've got to turn back. There's an important sign back there.
Okay.
Here in Moline.
Moline.
We're gonna
check around.
We're gonna turn around here.
Well, it's interesting that you say that it's increasing the wind speed, because I would think that might actually cool things off.
And that's the other point.
What?
It is
Are you serious?
equalizing the temperature across the earth.
So not only are we getting power from the wind farms, but it's also affecting climate change by cooling the earth down.
Yes.
Oh
Have
my
you
gosh.
ever been really hot before?
I can say that I have, yes.
Okay. Have you ever been really hot and thought, you know what I need? I need some stale, stagnant air to sit under.
You know, no. I
Never.
don't want that.
I don't want that. Nobody wants that. When people are working out, they're not like, wow, this gym, it'd be nice if they had less air conditioning and less fans blowing.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, no, that's not the case.
No.
People want fans on them. It cools them off.
Gotcha. Well, that
So,
makes sense, that
it's-
if you had larger fans, that not, small fan cool down human,
Yep.
large fan cool down earth.
Yes, that is 100% accurate.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna wait for we're waiting for the traffic here. We kind of got to have a backup here. And,
Yeah, it looks like it in
and
Moline.
Moline. Actually, I think this is a Greek town or something.
Oh, okay.
Well, we're gonna see here. We've got.
Okay, we got a
Says,
sign.
welcome to. It might be Molini.
Oh, Molini.
Molini?
Oh, Molini.
Home of
Kansas's oldest.
Have you ever been really hot before?
I can say that I have, yes.
Okay.